Imagine this. You walk into a dealership in 2026. The car looks perfect. Shiny paint, big screen, advanced features, maybe even that new car smell. The salesperson tells you, this one is only $650 a month. Only $650. At that moment, it doesn't sound too bad. You picture yourself driving it, showing it to friends, posting it online. It feels like a reward for all the hard work you've been doing. But here's the question almost nobody asks. Can you actually afford it? And I don't mean, can you make the monthly payment? I mean, can you truly afford the car without hurting your financial future? Because in 2026, buying a new car has quietly become one of the biggest financial traps for the middle class. Let's break it down. First, look at the price of new cars today. In the US, the average new car price is close to $48,000. Some trucks and SUVs easily cross $60,000 or even $70,000. Now, add interest. Many people are financing cars for 6 or even 7 years. With interest rates higher than they used to be, that car you thought cost $48,000 might actually cost $55,000 or more by the time you finish paying it off. And that's just the beginning. Because owning a car isn't just the payment. You also have insurance, gas, maintenance, registration, repairs. Suddenly, that $650 payment turns into $900 or $1,000 a month leaving your pocket.
That's $12,000 a year for something that is losing value every single day. And that's the second problem most people ignore. Cars are depreciating assets. The moment you drive a new car off the lot, it can lose 10 to 20% of its value immediately. Within 5 years, many cars lose 50% or more of their value. So imagine this scenario. You buy a $50,000 car. 5 years later, it might only be worth $22,000 or $25,000. That means you lost $25,000 just in depreciation. Now think about what $25,000 could have done if it had been invested instead. If you invested that money in something growing at around 8% a year, it could turn into $40,000 or more over time.
That's the real cost people don't see. But here's the interesting part. Most millionaires in America don't drive brand new luxury cars. Many of them drive reliable used vehicles, not because they can't afford new ones, but because they understand one simple principle. Wealthy people buy assets first. Everyone else buys liabilities first. An asset puts money into your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. And a new car, it almost always takes money out. Now, this doesn't mean you should never buy a new car. The real question is when. If buying that car means going into heavy debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or delaying investing for years, then the car is not freedom. It's financial pressure disguised as success. A smarter approach could be this. Instead of buying a brand new car, buy a reliable used car that's 2 to 4 years old. Let someone else take the big depreciation hit. Drive that car while you focus on investing, building skills, increasing your income. Then later, when your investments are growing and your income is stronger, buying a new car won't feel stressful. It'll feel easy. Because the truth is, the goal isn't just to look rich. The goal is to be financially secure. And sometimes the smartest financial move is the one that doesn't look flashy. So if you're thinking about buying a new car in 2026, just pause for a moment and ask yourself one simple question. Am I buying this car to impress people or because it truly fits my financial plan? That one question can save you tens of thousands of dollars and possibly years of financial stress.